Nabanggit ko na ito sa field flu vaccine vlog namin. At finally, ito na nga. Unti-unti na kaming naghahanda para sa pasukan. At syempre, isa na sa pinaka-exciting na parte nito, ang school supply shopping. Hindi man kumpleto ang mabibili namin today. Pero excited na ang mga bata. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Hi everyone! Kung bago ka lang dito sa aming channel, ako si Joanna, a single mom of 5. So, sa vlog natin ngayon, isi-share ko mga school supplies na na-shopping namin ngayon. Hindi pa ito yung kompletong hauling dahil gusto lang namin i-share kung ano yung experience habang naghahanda ngayong school year. Bilis nyo ha, si ate may pasok.
Sige, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Take time lang kayo. Mama, di ba, I'm gonna get sandal bra, underwears, and socks.
Oo.
Ngayon na ba yan?
Oo. Ball pens, notebooks.
Di ba we already have
Ramdam na talaga namin na malapit na ang pasukan. Isa-isa nang naghahanap ang mga bata ng mga kailangan nila sa school. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang pagpili ng mga design na gusto nila. Pia, put in here. Oh. Yung Mongol, number 2.
Oh, eraser. Do I get 2?
One lang.
Me and Ina.
Meron pa kayo doon.
Ah,
Hindi naman yan nagagamit. Sayang din yan. Sayang yung every peso. Black and red lang kukunin, Pia. Ano ba yung hawak mo? Hindi ba sets yan? Ayan, drafting set. Sige na, ano mo lang, kuhanin mo lang yung dapat mong kuhanin.
mag-CR lang.
Sige. Baka that's big. That's for grade 1 yan. Yung mapayat lang.
Ito.
Ito na. Sa bahay na lang tayo. Sa bahay na lang nila ayusin ito.
Eraser.
Ayun, namimili pa.
Yung liquid eraser.
Sige. Akin na, Ina. Ina, akin na.
Which one should I get? Which do you think is more sturdier?
Ano yan?
Deli,
Hindi ko alam eh.
Because I don't know which one is more sturdy or better.
Pare-pare na lang.
This is
Deli.
big. These two are bigger, but I don't know their brand, and
Yeah.
I only know Deli, and they're cuter.
Sige. Ayan na, ito na lang muna.
Okay.
Soli mo na muna yun. Baka ma-overwhelm tayo sa pagbayad. Maglilinis tayo dito pag wala tayong pangbayad. Ano to? ID holder. Gusto mo to? Important to. O iiwan ko. Pumili ka.
Pero gusto ko din.
O, kung ano yung mas gusto mo.
No, we didn't get from these. It's too expensive.
May,
We canceled it.
oo, ang mamahal sa mga So, may isang ballpen dyan na nakuha, 99 pesos yata isa. Isang ballpen, 100 plus. Ano ba naman yun? Ilang piraso lang yun, nasa 1,000 plus na. Kaya pinagpakaso ko pati yung, isa kong mug. Ay, ito kay ate ko. Ay, baby Kian, yung book. Okay yan. Meron din binili si ate na book. Kian, Yay! Thank you, Mami. Say thank you to Mami. And ito pa. Ay! 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 Mali! Ako, mali.
Oh, my long sock.
Nakakasa.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Dapat ito lang nalabahan. Ilagay na sa labahan ito para masuot. I-hand wash lang. Madali lang i-hand wash.
This one?
Ay, separate nyo yung ano ba yung mga nabili nyo dyan. Ano yung kay Ina, kay Tiyagan. Ako yan. Ako nagpili niya mga yan. Hindi po lahat ay gagamitin o dadalhin sa school dahil nawawala ang ballpen.
But
1 to 2 max lang ang dadalhin sa bag na ballpen. Ano na ba yung mga nabili mo, Pia? Kompleto ka na ba? Kompleto ka na? Ano yung mga nakuha mo?
so I got this for coloring materials. It's an oil pastel, and I got my notebooks here. And then I got 3 of these ball pens so that I don't run out that easily. And oh, this is open. Then 1 red ball pen. Then an eraser. Oh, I got 2 correction tapes since we use pens more often. And scissors because we need it.
Parang kinakain ng bahay scissor niya,
Yeah.
no? Or kinakain ng bags.
Yeah. Then I got long socks. I prefer long socks better than short.
Why?
Because they look better. And our classroom's cold.
And anti-mosquito na din, no?
Yeah. I got these pad papers. The lengthwise, 1/4, and intermediate.
Yeah, pero pag naubusan ka nung lengthwise 1/4, pwede na yung, ano, di ba?
We can just fold it or cut it.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah. Then I got this pen divider or pen holder. It spins. And each of these has different designs. And I got this mini trash can. It's for like when you write and then you can put your papers in there. And it's very convenient. I chose this pencil case because it looks cute and it's pink. It has 2 different sections that you can put, and I have a lot of things to put in. And here, I'm not sure what storage this is for, but it's just there. Then you can put like your favorite picture or sticker in here. So it's very nice. The inside, oh, there's foam. It's not that special. It's just like that, and then it's just like that. It's normal.
Ang roomy niya, no?
Yeah, so you can put a lot. And also I got like 9 of these notebooks for each subject, and I need to get specific colors for my notebook because each subject is color coded. Hey, Mama, we still have to get folders, whiteboard, and permanent marker.
Whiteboard.
No, we don't need the actual whiteboard, just whiteboard marker and permanent marker.
How about yung mga iba pa, yung mga...
There's no announcement yet on the folders. That's later pa.
Ano kasi, hindi pala nakatapasak. Hindi pa kami kumuha ng gamit ni Ina. Yung mga basic stuff lang yung kaya niyang kuhanin ngayon dahil
No announcement.
wala pang binibigay yung teacher niya na mga kailangan bilhin. So, ayaw naman namin na bumili ng hindi naman magagamit, hindi kailangan. Tulad dati, no? Bili ng bili. Ended up, hindi naman siya magagamit. Ano yung mga gusto, yung pinakagusto niyo na nabili niyo dyan? Ina, bakit?
This is the cutest pencil case I've ever gotten.
Sa lahat na naging pencil case mo. Kasi bakit? Madaming malalaman na basura.
Mama,
Eh si Pia, anong pinakagusto na nabili?
I think it's, oh my gosh, almost everything. It's this one. It's the spinning pen holder.
Bakit?
I don't know. It's like the cutest of all. There's like Sanrio characters here, and it spins. I mean, it spins.
Nahilig pa sa character si Pia. Si Ina, anong favorite character mo?
Sa Sanrio.
Kahit saan?
Sanrio. Pompom po yun.
Ay, oo nga pala si Pompom, no. Napakadumi na kasi ni Pompom niya. Premium. Si Pompom po rin. How about Ina?
Well, mine isn't complete yet because I don't have notebooks yet. My teacher didn't announce what school supplies to bring yet. I got the basics muna, like intermediate pads, tape, because we use that a lot during groupings and projects. And this drafting set, because our math is getting, we use like drawings and stuff. I got correction tapes. I think this will run out right away though, because like I make a lot of mistakes when writing. I got a marker too, but this one's a...
Naku, mukhang mahal yan, ah. Parang
No, it's
naisahan
not.
tayo niyan, ah.
Oh,
How much for that?
I think, I don't know how much this was.
Titignan nyo, baka 500, ha?
I do, but I wouldn't get something so expensive.
How you know?
I wouldn't get anything so expensive.
How do
I
you-
always check the prices, but I don't remember it.
Oh, ang National
Ay,
Bookstore wala pong ano, walang price tag.
There is. Doon sa mga lagayan ng box.
And what else?
It's
Ano
a
yan?
capybara correction tape and tape.
Ah,
in
daming
one.
correction tape ah.
Look, this one's the correction tape side,
Ah.
and then this is the tape.
Ah.
can open these now, right?
Oo, lahat yan. Lagay na sa pencil case. Tawag dito, si Pia ba may correction tape?
I have two.
But ano yun?
These, it's like this milk tea correction tape,
Ah, favorite.
Ah.
Tea.
and this other one,
Ah, ang cute.
pink. Yeah.
Okay. Ah, sige, back to Ina.
I got an ID holder. It comes with a lace. Is it retractable? Yeah. Oh.
Ah. Di ba meron na kayo niyan?
It was plain blue, but I found it cute, so I got it.
Okay.
And I got a mini notebook. It's not really a
Hindi ko mga nakita yan ah.
for like notes. I was supposed to get one too, cause I don't take notes during class. But it's really important. But I forgot to get. Oh, I also got oil pastel.
Where is it?
I put it in my. I already used it, cause I wanted to draw.
Asan na lahat ng ball pen? Ayan. Ang dami. Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga nabili mo?
Oh, my pencil case. Me and Tia have the same one, but just a different color. And then we randomly just found it. It was kind of hidden in the National Bookstore. They hide the cute stuff. Yeah, I remember when I got a pencil case last year.
Ba't pinatatago?
I don't know.
Joke. So, ano na lang kulang mo, Ina?
Notebook and folders. The color coded one.
And then, kumuha.
Yeah.
Hindi ka kumuha ng scissor?
Hindi, kasi meron naman ako sa...
Ah. And kumuha na rin ng ito, osla paper. Lagi niyo itong kailangan, di ba? Ay, osla paper. Wala nung ganito, no? Na maramihan. Ilan lang to? Ay, 10 sheets lang. So, ayan, kumuha na rin ng mga osla paper. And, isa to sa mga kailangan nila yung brown envelopes. Small ang kinuha ko and nalukot na ilang peraso ng big size nitong brown envelope. Kasi kailangan din minsan sa mga papeles namin, hindi lang sa school. Tapos, more of printing ang mga bata. So, meron tayo ng long band paper. So, short lang yung binili ko. Tapos, tulang ang ilalagay na ball pen.
I forgot to get sharpener.
Meron ka, di ba?
I am green.
Dami yung naging sharpener. Titingnan natin doon mamaya. Ito talaga yung mga binili na ball pen. Oh. Yung mga panda lang. Kasi palagi HBW yung mga magaganda na may sulat. Kasi ang daling mawalan ng ball pen. O, ano na, ilan na yung, magkuha kayo ng tig 2 ball pens.
I already have two ball pens. But I only have one red ball pen.
Nasaan yung galing sa Miniso na ball pen?
Wala nga.
Meron
You guys
isa.
said
There is.
Yeah, yung red ball pen mo. Baka yun yung galing. Baka ito yung
No, hindi yan. Doon po, doon sa isang paper bag.
There's one ball pen in here. Ay,
Oh, di ba? Meron pang
no, it's not ours. You should look for the this one.
Ayan.
This the one I got. Wala nang iba? Wala.
Wala yan lang ate kasi ang mahal ng ball pen nila. Kinansel
Look,
ko.
Ina.
Ready ka na ba sa first day of school, Pia?
Yeah.
Bakit naman?
Cause I've been so excited about the first day of school. I keep thinking about it every day.
Ano?
Last night it was hard to sleep. Yeah. Cause I was thinking about it. Oh, I'm excited for bound and about my school stuff that I can finally use them.
Ganun talaga yung feeling eh, no? Tapos yung sino ulit yung naging teacher mo.
Yeah, and classmate.
Bilang isang single mom, pinagpaplanuhan ko talaga kada school year ng mga bata. Hindi man namin nabibili lahat ng sabay-sabay. Ang importante ay unti-unti namin natatapos ang mga kailangan. Masaya ako na makita ang mga anak ko na excited sila sa panibagong school year. Nakakapagod man minsan, pero worth it naman lahat kapag nakikita kong masaya at handa sila sa pagpasok nila sa school. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and abangan nyo pa ang aming back to school preparation video. See you in the next vlog. Bye!